Welcome you all. Uh, CN Maestro is Cambium's network management solutions in cloud as well as on-premises, which covers at present Wi-Fi products as well as EPMP. But very soon it will be supporting the other products like PMP 450, 450i as well as PTP 650. The vision and mission for this particular application is affordability, scalability, and very quick to deploy configuration and very easy to operate. It's a very simple troubleshooting as well as monitoring tool which will enable the user with no much expertise in maintaining the network. This supports point-to-point as well as a point-to-multi-point till the end-to-end solutions, wireless, backhaul, then the last mile connectivity, then the indoor Wi-Fi or outdoor Wi-Fi, till the user devices. The scope of CN Maestro is onboarding the devices, provisioning it, software upgrades, bulk upgrades, monitoring, operations, and troubleshooting. Uh, this incorporates planning as well as support functions for the easiness of the maintenance. In the near future, it will also include the warranty, RMA, as well as support, so that from a single application you can maintain the whole network, starting from the planning till the support. These cloud deployments are built on Amazon Web Services. Amazon's are proven cloud solutions and hosting provider, many services, which will be easier for scalability as well as redundancy. We can keep on adding based on the requirement, like for huge networks, we can straight away add some more space in the web services and get it operational within very short time. It's the cloud deployment is very easy to get started. There is no infrastructure required from your end. There is no hardware. There is no knob. Nothing. Cambium will handle the maintenance as well as upgrades of the cloud, so that you don't need to worry about the software upgrades available. You don't need to download it. Everything will be maintained by the Cambium in the cloud servers. There are automated backups, and in the continent-wise, we have servers which will enable the redundancy for the cloud. You can start managing this with a small amount of network devices, and you can grow your business to thousands of devices, but maintaining with the same application. That's why the scalability comes into picture, where we just need to add the infrastructure, which will be the responsibility of the Cambium. Now we are also bringing the on-premises network management server, which can be installed in one of your server in your network, in your premises, and it will have the same user interface as what you see today in the cloud. It will be supporting the platforms of VMware as well as VirtualBox record. It's a self-contained execution environment. It's the same as cloud. You don't feel anything different there. And it's a standalone installation so that it will be fit into your network. You are not dependent upon the cloud. You will be maintaining the softwares and all. You can just download and put it in your on-premise NMS. It can be scaled based on allocated virtual hardware that may need to be planned while initiating the installation process so that we'll have some idea of the network so that till that much devices you can opt the hardware. This is the architecture of CNMastro where the traditional NMSs work on SNMP. CNMastro works in HTTPS where you don't need to have any entry in the firewall. HTTPS is a very secure protocol. Here, the traditional SNMP servers will try to discover the devices, whereas CNMastro does not discover any devices, but the devices will discover the CNMastro, which will obviously decrease the congestion in the network as well as quick onboarding of the devices. It's a highly scalable architecture where it works in our distributed process, message bus and database. It has redundancy. It also supports multi-tenancy where Cambium Cloud can serve multiple ISPs securely. ISP can have multiple networks and customers, but that can be maintained by the CNMastro with privacy and security. Let me see if there is any questions. It's not clear. Let me adjust my mic again. Output is okay now. The network management made simplified. Devices will discover the CNMastro as I mentioned earlier. It's firewall friendly since we use HTTPS instead of SNMP. You can access it from anywhere using a standard web browser. You don't need to have any particular application or software to access the cloud. The visibility in a single page, you can see from tower to the edge, like starting from the termination point of your internet till the last mile connectivity plus Wi-Fi till the user. And it's very easy to create an account and get started. You just need to visit our website to register, then straight away you can start it. This is one of the ISP, Nitro, which has a network size of around 500 subscribers, who manages EPMP network through CNMastro, and he is very happy. you can see you can do the troubleshooting via CN Maestro with a single click. Quick access controls in the CN Maestro includes the searching options where you can search any device, any IP or MAC or serial number or even the user. There are dedicated dashboards for each access point or each device, so that you can see more in-depth events, alarms, as well as the IP frequency being used, what is the health of the device, what is the RSS, what is the SNR, everything can be seen in the dashboard, dedicated dashboards. It's end-to-end troubleshooting. Like if you click any of the Wi-Fi devices, you can see how the Wi-Fi device is connected. Is there any PTP protocol or is there any PMP last mile connectivity, and where is the trouble? Which devices, which link is having problem, so that the troubleshooting will be breeze. This is a dashboard where you can see the end-to-end wireless troubleshooting. Here in this example, there is APMP 1000 AP and APMP 1000 SM connected to that particular AP. Then there is a Wi-Fi router and there are Wi-Fi clients connected to it. All these things are shown in a single pane, and in the below you can also see the users connected to that particular Wi-Fi access point, and the status of health of each user connectivity, what is the band being used, which SSID they have connected, what is the signal strength. You can also capture, remote capture, packet capture of the Ethernet interface of a particular access point for analysis. You can see client inside, even with the information of the device manufacturer, Samsung, iPhone, or whatever, which device he is using. You can also create configuration templates where you can mention multiple plans, like for the ISP, they declare the speed with reference to downlink as well as uplink. You can make multiple configuration options and push from the CN master to the device, so that it will be very easier for you to sit at a centralized place and push the configuration to the device based on your requirement. You don't need to log into the device and configure it. You can make templates in the CN master and just push those particular configuration to respective devices. You can also see about this feature in our knowledge base in community.cambiumnetworks.com. These are some of the features where CN Maestro is designed on. There are hierarchical dashboards where you can see starting from the tower till the edge of the network. Each device can be seen with their logical connectivity. The advanced troubleshooting supports in a single graphic. You can visualize in a single graphic. You can see Wi-Fi client details, their health, and troubleshooting with the help of remote packet capture if the client is not getting DHCP IP addresses or anything that can be seen through packet capture can be troubleshooted. All alarms, events can be filtering based on the device or based on the criticality of the alarm. Device inventory will be shown where you can see about the software version among all the devices so that you can take decision to upgrade it, or you can have an inventory how many devices are working with what software and plan accordingly to push the latest software to those devices. These devices data can be exported in PDF or CSV formats for external use. Statistics and trending, you can view the historical radio network statistics in the CN Mastro. Bulk image upgrade, you can upgrade multiple devices. The software upgrade can be done as a single job so that you can even see the status of that particular job, how many devices got upgraded, how many did not, and why it did not upgrade, what is the reason for that. This template-based configuration where you can have multiple template configurations based on your customer requirement or your business requirement, and just push those configuration to respective devices. It's integrated with Google Maps where you can visualize the device health as well as a geographically location of those particular devices. If you provide the coordinates, lat longs, various this wireless key performance indicators will be shown in the map itself so that you can know means what is the RSS of that particular link which is shown in the map, Google Map. It will be easier for you to plan for future extension in the network so that you can decide which AP is free, which AP one more CP can be connected, and where is the backhaul requirement. Those type of decisions can be made. Zero touch onboarding means you don't need to configure anything in the new device where you are sending for the customer the premises. Like let's say you may be sending a Wi-Fi router to the customer premises. You just need to note down the serial number of that particular device and enter it in the CN master and dispatch it to the customer place so that customer can just power it on and connect to the internet. That particular Wi-Fi router will try to discover the cloud CN master and upgrade the software as well as the configuration from the CN master. That means there is no requirement of any technician uh, 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 who are having expertise in configuration or something. You just need to send the device to the customer so that even if he does not know about the configuration, he can just power it up and connect to the internet. That's all. Device will automatically get the configuration as well as software upgrade from CN Maestro, and it is up. You can have multiple administrator there. You can invite your colleagues by email to manage devices in the CN Maestro. This point-o multi-point PMP 450, 450i will also be supported in CN Maestro by June. Beta has already been started now. At present, CN Maestro supports Wi-Fi products as well as ePMP as of now today. PMP 450 will be supporting in June. Onboarding, monitoring, troubleshooting, software upgrade and configuration will be supported in this PMP 450 integration with the CN Maestro. The updates are available in the community where you can opt to involved in the PMP beta. Let me see for any questions. There is a question. Have you already implemented hardware for controller instead of cloud solution? Yeah, under beta, we have already implemented with several customers for on-premises controller, and it's been working very well. This by this month and June first week, we are going to release the on-premises controller for commercial use. The next question is, could not onboard EPMP 1000 to CN Maestro with Cambium ID? EPMP 1000 can be onboarded to CN Maestro only with Cambium ID. The reason may be EPMP 1000 ETP or PMP device may be working in a older software. It has to be 2.5 and above to get into the CN Maestro. What are the number of links or devices that we can connect in CN Maestro? That I will tell you in the coming slides. There is a slide which will inform about the device limitation as well as the pricing and all. At present, there is no license required. It is free in the cloud. The basic features are free as of now, and it will be free for the future. But there is a premium version which will be charged in the future, but it's in the development as of now. Okay, about this on-premises CN Maestro, it is targeted to release by end of June, but the beta will be closing in May, maybe in second week. So we are just planning to release it in June. These updates can be seen in the community forum. This is the CN Maestro Wi-Fi control features targeted for June. A GUI-based configuration of Wi-Fi devices from CN Maestro. That means at present we have JSON files where you need to edit each and every configuration like SSID, frequency, IP address and all. But we are bringing the GUI-based configuration so that it will be easy for the user to configure whatever he likes in the GUI interface and then save it as a template. Floor plans, Wi-Fi site dashboard, where there are a group of APs, especially take an example of indoor coverage of APs in the building, and you can just group those APs and see in the dashboard. And hosted captive portal will be supported, and the vouchers, you can start issuing the vouchers to the users or the guest, so that after the free usage of 15 or 30 minutes, they can just purchase the voucher and start using the Wi-Fi connectivity. This is the roadmap where in the second quarter we have already there in on-premises beta. PMP 450 and 450i beta is also started. End of Q2, we will be releasing the on-premises controller with PMP 450, 450i support. E500, which is an outdoor AP of 802.11 AC, but dual band will be supported, and Wi-Fi GUI configuration with the user interface will be released at the end of the Q2. CN Maestro PTP 650 monitoring and targeted APIs will be supported in Q3. And in the Q4, we will be coming up with the SNMP agent integration, where you can manage third-party devices which supports SNMP through CN Maestro. That is CN Maestro 2.0. Pricing, we are finalizing the pricing and plans, but Cambium is committed to a free tier, like collection of standard management features, which is already there as of today. You can get the basic features in the cloud, which is free. You can have up to 250 devices in the free version. I'm talking about the EPMP devices, EPMP point-to-point or point-to-multipoint. But as of now, there is no limitation for the Wi-Fi devices to be monitored under CN Maestro. We will introduce a paired version at some point of time, which includes additional premium features like published APIs or extended data retention for SMS with some more features. That will be coming under the paid version, but it's not yet decided yet, and we will be notifying you soon. Let me see if there's any questions. There's a question like, is it it works in user level authentication? Yeah, user level authentication means when you create your cloud account, then you are the owner for that account, and you can manage multiple networks with the same account, or you can even invite your colleagues to maintain the network through CN Maestro. And there's one more question. How can CN Maestro sign, for example, alarming to my phone or SMS if it come forward alarm event? There's any possibility to inform alarm event notification by SMS or email? At present, email is supported, SMS is not yet, but it is in the roadmap, which may come active maybe by Q3. SMS gateway will be implemented in the CN Maestro, so that critical alarms or events will be notified via SMS to the administrator. Okay, we will go with device requirements to use a CN Maestro Cloud. Simple requirements like communication will be initiated by the devices, but not by the CN Maestro. So the devices do not need a public IP address. A single point of NAT translation at the edge of your network is sufficient for us, so that device management will be able to reach the CN Maestro. I should also confirm you at this stage that the data will not be going to the CN Maestro. Only the management packets will be going to the CN Maestro. Data will not go out of your network. The devices do need to be able to contact cloud.cambiumnetworks.com. This is done via HTTPS. So I don't think any firewall will block this protocol. So there is no need of any entry in the firewall as well, which will be easy for any network without modifying anything in the network devices. The management will take care. This is the basic requirement for the devices to use a CNMS Cloud. For the ePMP as well as Wi-Fi devices which are supported as of today, will be requiring the minimum software version as mentioned here. For ePMP it is 2.6.1. For 1000 hotspot it's 1.6.1. CN Pilot R200 and R201 is 4.2, and CN Pilot E400 is 1.6.1. This is the minimum software version required to reach the CN Master. As I said earlier, there is an option of Cambium ID and onboarding key, which will enable the device to easily discover the CN Master server instead of entering their serial number in the CN Master. Like R200, which is a home and small business router, and E400, which is an indoor 11AC router, can have their serial numbers entered in the CN Master before dispatching to customer. You don't need to even open the curtain box. That can be onboarded through a serial number, but whereas the ePMP 1000 hotspot does not have any serial number option to enter, so the ePMP 1000 hotspot can use the Cambium ID to get onboarding process started. This is the community where the post cyclist onboarding devices, but provides links to information about onboarding prerequisite procedures, checking device to CN Master connectivity and troubleshooting. There are plenty of videos available in the cloud homepage, cloud.cambiumnetworks.com homepage. Whenever you are stuck by doing any configuration, you can just watch the videos. There are several videos present in the cloud homepage as well as in the community knowledge base, which will be easily made understood how to do the configuration. It's not so complicated. This is where you can create the CN Master account. You just need to visit cloud.cambiumnetworks.com. If you have the Cambium support center mail ID, means if you have already registered at support.cambiumnetwork.com, then you can use the same credentials to enter and log in to the cloud management solutions. You don't need to register it separately. If you have a support account, then you can easily log into the cloud.cambiumnetworks.com and create your account. This is about the social media where I request you to follow in Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Plus, as well as Bipo. Here you get latest information about our product as well as the features. You can also share your ideas, improvement in the product or in CN Master, anything that can be entered under the ideas. There are multiple discussion forums about products, network planning, languages, and business issues, which will help us to improve the products and make the product easy for the users based on the requirement and of the user as well as the market. With this, I'm opening the Q&A session. If you have any questions, you can just ask. I suggest you to play with the cloud so that, see, the interface is same in the cloud as well as on-premises controller. Only the installation part is different. If you, as of now, cloud is free, you can just register yourself and start monitoring your devices. Maybe it's 10, 20 or whatever. Also the Wi-Fi devices. And you can feel, you can even share your feedback in the community forum, positive, negative, whatever, which will help us to improve the same and answer you there. This webinar recording will be posted to the community forum. From there, you can download it. I will just wait for any questions. It's a one place to monitor the whole network without any infrastructure. Just need to create the account in the cloud, and that's all. You can just start monitoring the devices. It's an end-to-end. Today, it may be supporting ePMP as well as Wi-Fi, but soon, within third quarter, we will be supporting all the products. So at one place, you can monitor everything. Edge-to-edge connectivity. Okay, thank you, gentlemen, for attending this webinar. We will be coming up with more webinars, and I request you to suggest the topics. If you wish to hear more on any particular topic, then you can suggest on that so that we can start preparing the webinar on those topics. Thank you again for joining this webinar. Thank you very much.